Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to force Wallpaper Engine. Now the first thing I want you to do is come here to the bottom right, click on this arrow icon to show the hidden icons, and then here you should see the Wallpaper Engine icon. I want you to right click on this, and the last option here is quit. I want you to click on quit, and that should actually force quit Wallpaper Engine. And if it still doesn't close, what I want you to do is come here to the bottom left, right click on your start icon, click here on Task Manager, and once Task Manager opens up, what I want you to do is just go ahead and scroll down here, go ahead and look for Wallpaper 64. I want you to go ahead and click on that, and you can come here and click on End Task. Now still doesn't end. What I want you to do, go ahead and click on Steam Client Web Helper as well, and then end that task as well. And that is how to force quit Wallpaper Engine. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out as well.